Living through a home renovation is a lot like waiting for Biden to be president. It was truly awful to live through, but now that it's here, it feels amazing. Today, we're talking about coping through a home renovation. And this is the current state of my house. The average home renovation lasts anywhere from 3 to 9 months, depending on how extensive the renovation, how good your contractors are, and whether or not you're in the middle of a global pandemic. The most important thing is to have one space that stays clean so it can actually serve as like a sanctuary. For us, that's been a 10 by 10 bedroom, which is not ideal, but at least it has a door. Make sure you have all your materials either ordered or in stock prior to your contractor showing up. For instance, this brick, when I originally ordered it, was supposed to take 9 weeks. However, shout out to Floor & Decor, they had it in stock. You definitely want to be present during the construction process and make sure that you communicate everything to your contractor. For instance, they started putting molding around this door, and I actually envisioned the door being a lot more hidden. So there's definitely different ways of doing things, but you want to make sure that everyone communicates and your visions match. Definitely keep extra money in your budget because things may go wrong or you may want to add another project, and you'll definitely be ordering a ton of food because you tend to lose access to your kitchen and your space during the day. Pro tip! If you have multiple contractors, schedule them accordingly and make sure they can be in the same space at the same time. I have an exposed brick wall. This is Beginning House with Paul. Cheers.